Looking for a slow cooker that fits your family's needs without any hassle? The Hamilton Beach 7-quart programmable slow cooker is designed to handle meals for your loved ones and guests with ease. Whether you're cooking a 7-pound chicken or a 5-pound roast, this slow cooker's generous capacity makes it ideal for family dinners, potlucks, or parties. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal, without standing over the stove or constantly checking the clock. What sets this slow cooker apart is its flexible programming options. You get more control than many other models, including the Crock-Pot Smart-Pot. Choose from high, low, or warm settings and set the timer for 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 10 hours. Once the cooking time ends, it automatically switches to warm, keeping your food ready to serve without overcooking. The easy-to-use touchpad and countdown timer take the guesswork out of meal prep, letting you focus on other things while dinner cooks itself. Cleaning up after a meal is often the least enjoyable part, but with this Hamilton Beach slow cooker, it's a breeze. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend extra time scrubbing. Plus, the sleek design looks great on your countertop, blending functionality with style. One satisfied customer shared their experience, highlighting how this slow cooker replaced their old unit after 16 years. They tried another popular brand but faced overheating issues. Switching to Hamilton Beach brought them exactly what they needed: reliable performance, easy controls, and a perfect timer. Their recommendation speaks volumes about the quality and user-friendly design of this slow cooker. If you're ready to simplify mealtime and enjoy delicious, home-cooked dishes without the fuss, the Hamilton Beach 7-quart programmable slow cooker is worth a look. It's tailored for busy households and anyone who loves sharing meals without the stress. Try it when you're ready and see how effortless slow cooking can be.